For an industry that is over 150 years old, you may be surprised just how innovative and high-tech Canada's oil and natural gas sector is. In fact, Canada is a world leader in innovation when it comes to producing the oil and natural gas we need to heat our homes, fuel our cars, and make the most of the household items we buy. And that's important because the world needs oil and natural gas now and into the future. With an ever-increasing population demanding more and more energy, fossil fuels aren't able to retire just yet. But we can find ways to produce cleaner energy from our hydrocarbon resources and reduce the environmental impact. How? Innovation. So, what does that innovation look like? Well, it looks like a lot of things, from the seemingly simple to the absolutely space-aged. Take the GHG SAT project, a satellite technology developed right here in Canada that measures greenhouse gas emissions more accurately than conventional on-the-ground methods. There's one of them flying around the Earth right now, collecting valuable real-time data that scientists will be able to use to help reduce emissions from activities like oil sands development. Back down on Earth, or maybe we should say back down in Earth, there's another cool technology that is actually preventing certain emissions from becoming emissions in the first place. Carbon capture and storage is a process where CO2 is captured during the heavy oil upgrading process, compressed into a liquid state, and stored safely deep underground. As of May 2019, a carbon capture and storage project in Alberta has captured and stored 4 million tons of CO2 since it became operational in 2015. That's equivalent to the annual emissions of about 1 million cars. But that's not all. There are also lots of process innovations on the ground and in the cloud that are helping Canada's oil and natural gas producers reduce their environmental footprint. From using artificial intelligence and big data to maximize efficiencies, to finding inventive ways to manage the resources used in energy production, and even teaching drilling rigs how to walk. There's no shortage of Canadian oil and natural gas innovation stories. To learn all about these stories and more, check out our Energy IQ innovation topics and see just how clever we Canucks can be.